Hello, and welcome back to MoneyMasterMind. Today, we are exploring how your mind controls your wallet and how you can master this. Now, let's get started. But first, if you enjoy this content or anything related to investing, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's get straight into it. In this video, we'll dive into the connections between psychology and finance, exploring how our minds influence the way we handle money. Understanding the psychological aspects of money is crucial because it sheds light on the hidden forces that drive our financial behaviors. From impulsive spending to strategic saving, our relationship with money is deeply intertwined with our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. By uncovering these subconscious influences, we can gain valuable insights into why we make certain financial decisions and how we can make more informed choices in the future. The aim of this video is to unravel the complex web of psychological factors that shape our financial lives. By shining a light on the forces at play, we hope to equip you with the knowledge and awareness needed to take control of your finances. Throughout this exploration, we'll examine the psychology behind spending habits, the influence of cognitive biases, and the role of money mindsets and beliefs. We'll also discuss practical strategies for overcoming psychological barriers to saving and investing, ultimately guiding you towards a more mindful and intentional approach to managing your money. So join us as we journey into the fascinating world of money psychology, where the mysteries of the mind meet the realities of the wallet. In our exploration of the psychology of spending, we explore the systems that drive our financial behaviors, often surpassing rational decision-making. Emotional spending, a phenomenon deeply ingrained in human psychology, serves as an example of how our emotions can override logic when it comes to money matters. Whether it's seeking comfort through retail therapy or succumbing to the appeal of a flashy purchase, emotional spending can lead us down a path of financial instability. Several triggers can ignite impulsive buying tendencies, increasing the likeliness of emotional spending. Social influence, for instance, exerts a powerful sway over our spending habits, as we often find ourselves giving in to peer pressure or societal expectations. Likewise, advertising plays a pivotal role in shaping our consumption patterns, tapping into our subconscious desires and insecurities to drive sales. Our emotional states can significantly impact our tendency to spend, with feelings of stress, boredom, or happiness influencing our purchasing decisions in profound ways. To illustrate the significance of these psychological factors, let's consider a few real-life stories. Imagine Sarah, a young professional feeling overwhelmed by work-related stress who finds comfort in retail therapy, impulsively splurging on luxury items to alleviate her anxiety. Or picture Mark, bombarded by targeted advertisements for the latest gadgets, giving in to the temptation of upgrading his devices despite financial constraints. These examples highlight the profound impact of psychological factors on spending habits, highlighting the connections between our emotions, social influences, and external stimuli. By understanding these dynamics, we can begin to understand the mysteries of our financial behaviors and adopt strategies to cultivate more mindful and intentional spending habits. In examining the influence of cognitive biases on financial behavior, we confront the subtle yet profound ways in which our minds can lead us astray from rational decision-making. Cognitive biases, inherent shortcuts in our thought processes, can significantly impact our financial choices, often without our conscious awareness. Loss aversion, one of the most common cognitive biases, resembles our tendency to fear losses more than we value equivalent gains. This aversion to loss can manifest in various financial contexts, leading us to hold on to losing investments longer than we should, or avoiding necessary risks out of fear of potential losses. Similarly, confirmation bias, the inclination to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs while disregarding opposing evidence, can cloud our judgment and impede our ability to make objective financial decisions. Anchoring, another cognitive bias, involves fixating on initial information or reference points when making decisions, leading us to overvalue or undervalue assets based on unreasonable benchmarks. These biases can have profound impacts for our financial well-being, often leading to suboptimal outcomes and missed opportunities. By recognizing and understanding these cognitive pitfalls, however, we can take proactive steps to mitigate their effects. One effective strategy is to cultivate awareness of our cognitive biases, actively questioning our assumptions and seeking out diverse perspectives when making financial decisions. Also, employing decision-making frameworks that encourage rational analysis can help counteract the influence of cognitive biases. For instance, setting clear investment criteria and diversifying portfolios can help mitigate the impact of anchoring and loss aversion, encouraging a more balanced approach to risk management. Ultimately, by acknowledging the role of cognitive biases in shaping our financial behavior and adopting strategies to mitigate their effects, we can improve our decision-making abilities and work towards achieving our long-term financial goals. Exploring the money mindsets and beliefs reveals the profound influence of upbringing, culture, and personal experiences on our attitudes towards finances. From childhood lessons about the value of money to societal norms ingrained in our cultural beliefs, several factors shape our perceptions and behaviors regarding wealth and financial security. One common division in money mindsets is the contrast between scarcity mentality and abundance mindset. Those with a scarcity mentality often view money as a finite resource, leading to feelings of fear, anxiety, and a reluctance to spend or invest. In contrast, individuals embracing an abundance mindset perceive money as abundant and renewable, promoting a sense of confidence, opportunity, and generosity in their financial decisions. These contrasting mindsets profoundly impact financial behavior, influencing everything from spending habits to attitudes towards risk-taking and wealth accumulation. By understanding the origins and implications of these money mindsets, you can understand underlying biases and assumptions that may be shaping your financial behaviors. Whether inherited from family traditions, influenced by cultural norms, or shaped by personal experiences, understanding the roots of your money beliefs provides a foundation for intentional financial decision-making. Through reflection, you can identify areas where your money mindsets may be limiting your financial potential and explore opportunities for growth and transformation. By challenging ingrained beliefs and adopting a mindset aligned with your financial goals and values, you can begin a journey towards greater financial improvement and well-being. In the psychology of saving and investing, we confront the intimidating barriers that often hinder our ability to secure our financial futures. Present bias, a cognitive tendency to prioritize immediate gratification over long-term rewards, poses a significant obstacle to saving and investing. This bias leads you to favor current consumption over saving for future needs, undermining your financial stability and resilience. Also, the fear of loss lies large in the world of investing, prompting you to shy away from risk and miss out on potential opportunities for growth. This aversion to loss, fueled by the pain of past financial setbacks or the uncertainty of future market changes, can paralyze you and prevent you from making informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. To overcome these psychological barriers, it is essential to adopt strategies that promote disciplined saving and investing habits. One effective approach is to automate savings and investments, setting up recurring transfers or contributions that occur automatically without requiring active decision-making. By removing the need for willpower and capitalizing on inertia, you effortlessly accumulate wealth over time. Also, reframing the narrative around saving and investing can help you overcome fear and embrace risk as an essential component of wealth building. Viewing setbacks as learning opportunities rather than failures and focusing on long-term objectives can help shift the perspective from short-term gains to sustainable growth. Highlighting the psychological benefits of long-term financial planning can also serve as a motivating force for saving and investing. By envisioning future financial goals, you can acquire a sense of purpose and fulfillment from your efforts. The satisfaction derived from achieving these goals reinforces positive financial behaviors and encourages continued progress towards financial security and independence. Ultimately, by acknowledging and addressing the psychological barriers to saving and investing, you can take meaningful steps towards building a secure financial future and realizing your long-term aspirations. In conclusion, our exploration of money psychology has revealed the interaction between the mind and finances, shedding light on the forces that shape our financial behaviors. We've uncovered how emotional spending, cognitive biases, money mindsets, and psychological barriers influence our financial decisions, often leading us astray from our long-term goals. Central to managing finances effectively is cultivating self-awareness and mindfulness. By understanding our psychological tendencies and biases, we can make more informed and intentional financial choices. Developing the habit of mindfulness allows us to pause, reflect, and question our impulses, enabling us to resist the appeal of immediate gratification and prioritize long-term financial well-being. As viewers, it's crucial to apply the knowledge gained from this discussion to take control of your financial lives. By implementing strategies to recognize and mitigate the impact of psychological factors on our financial decisions, we can navigate the complexities of money management with greater confidence and clarity. Whether it's setting realistic budgets, diversifying investments, or seeking guidance from financial professionals, every step toward financial empowerment is a step towards a more secure future. In essence, by using the power of self-awareness and mindfulness, we can go beyond the limitations imposed by our psychological biases and take charge of our financial destinies. Let us begin this journey towards financial freedom with determination, curiosity, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Thanks for watching Money Mastermind. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other videos for more investing tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.